Let's get out of the camera before you pick up the whole of the blackhead them in my face. So this video is a wig video. Alright, so I'm gonna try different wig because I was told to go and do my hair. I am not the kind of person who likes to do wigs, but I will put them on for crying out loud if I have somewhere to go special. Right now I have somewhere to go special and I'm not gonna pay any money to do my hair. Call me mean or cheap, whatever you want. I'm not even interested. I just tried this wig on just now and my head already hurting. So I spend money to do my hair and have to take it off after I get back from the event. What the sense? Do you know how much money to do a wig here in America? It's a lot of money. So when you're at Jamaica and you can pay this amount of money, it makes no sense to pay all that money. The hairdressers are charging like $200, maybe $300 to install a wig. Why would I pay that amount of money for what? I could give it to somebody if I really have it, and I really don't have that money to waste. So let's go. I'm gonna try different wigs today. So I have this box of wig right here and I'm gonna try a different one and you can tell me which one is suitable. So this one is my oldest wig, right? And I just tried it on just now and just clip it up with this clip, catch it up in a ponytail at the back, and you see how nice it looks because I have somewhere to go. All I have to do is just ruffle this out. This is my first, well, not my first wig here, but this wig has been like 8 years old and I only wear it twice. Yes, but it's a human hair, so I'm not gonna throw it in the garbage. To tell you, I really don't like wigs, but catch it up in one, or I just do this and just like punch it like this and it gives me a nice little buzz. Ta-da! Yes, so this is a wig tutorial. What they call it? Tutorial. Me tongue can't call nothing. Anyways, I'm going to go into the next wig. So let's show you guys. Alright, I need to put back this. So this is going to be, let me show you. I think I have like 3 of these wigs. Yes, 3. Basically the same thing. I just brushed it out because I have an electric brush. Yes, and I just brushed these 2 out. I didn't touch this one yet. So I'm gonna try these and then you can tell me which one look best, okay? Let's go change my wig because my hair don't look good. I'm not making you see it look like that. Okay, so I just brushed this out. You know something about brown wigs that I like? It just give me this nice little afro look. Yeah, this nice little afro look. What do you think? Yes, you know, but this one you need to put some big earrings in, some really big earrings. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. There we go. You got it. Okay, let's do the next one. What do you think? The back, the front. This is number 2. I'm gonna try to keep up, okay? All right. So I'm gonna try this other one. It's close, but this one have black in the root. This one don't. So I'm gonna put this one on. As you can see, it have black here. This one doesn't. So it's a little different. Okay. All right, coming out. So this one is short and I have this electric brush. So this is number 3. I have this electric brush, you guys. You see, I was brushing it out, but So this is hot brush, and all of these here are human hair. Oh gosh, this brush is so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So I could just do a little part right here when I'm wearing this one. Kind of like, you know. Yeah, something like that. So turn around. This maybe need to like get some trim up. So how does number 3 look? I should have put on a little makeup, you know. Yeah, I should have done that, like a little bit of makeup. All right, let's get to number 4. I'm just gonna put on all these color right now because we are going into black. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, guess what? I was the one who was trying to make this wig, so I don't think I should show you this to you because this is not a real wig. It was me who was making it. I didn't buy this wig really. I have some extension and I decided to just glue it on here. So it's not a real wig. I just realized that. Alright, so let's get into these bags. So in this one I have 1. I have 2. So this is 2 black. But all of these wigs are already worn. See? I wear the whole of them already. And then one blow out. Do you have the time to sit and watch me blow out all of them wigs? This one here, them wear already. So that's 2. Let's see. Oh, this is the heavy duty. Oh, this is, oh my gosh. This is nice, guys. Heavy, rich. Yeah, this is no joke. You see this wig here? This is no joke. Alright, let's put it right here. My house is very clean, so alright, let's go into this one right now. Most of them are just curly wigs, you know. So to all these people who are telling me to go and do my hair, I do have wigs. I'm just not interested. I love this wig too. Yeah. I'm gonna try each one of them and see. Alright, this is another big dog. But this is a straight one. Oh, this is heavy, bro. It is so heavy. Put this on my damn head. You know what this is? Carrying down my big head. My head already big. See? This is the big dogs. It is so heavy, you guys. This is like a 30-something inch. Alright, let's see. And I have this. This is a short straight here. Yeah. Not really short. This is like 20-something. Thing is 26. Yeah. Okay, so I have this short one, which I'm gonna put it on next. And I have this one. This is maybe, I think this is like a 16 or 18 inch. Yeah, this is short. This is an old wig too. I have that here, I think like 2015. Let's see, this is another short one. So I have these 2. This is kind of brownish and this is more jet black. I haven't. My phone is ringing. Hold on. Yeah, that was my daughter. Okay, so I did this wig in Jamaica. I'm gonna try this. It's 2 of them. Hold on. This wig, I put it in a bag to take it somewhere, but I did both of them in Jamaica and I never wear them. Can you believe this wig? I've been here for maybe like 4 or 5 years, just like this. I took the bundles to Jamaica and my daughter here just made them, and this is the outcome. So let's try on this one first, and then I'm gonna come back and try on the other. So I have somewhere to go, and this is gonna be my go wig. What do you think? How do I look? So I thought it was like a center part, but it's not. It's a side part. So look. Do you like this one? How do I look? And here is the back. This is like maybe an 18-inch or 20-inch bundles. Yeah, I don't know. Different length. So I'm gonna try this one, the other one. I think it's gonna look basically the same, but one is a little more fluffier. I like the other little one more, but you see, they're basically the same. Just I think this is a little longer. Center part is not looking good, but this one, yeah, the side part. So if I have like a graduation going, I think I might just wear this. You know what I mean? Yeah, just wear this. Just clip it up. You like it? Just pull it a little more to the front and just like clip it. You know what I mean? Yeah. So when I have some occasion outgoing. Okay, so this is an old wig. It's a very old wig. I'm gonna fit it up and you're gonna see this on me. Because it's been a while I have this wig too. So I just blow this out before I decided to do this wig. Let me put this up because it haven't wore yet since I haven't worn it yet since it's done. So I just bag them up and keep them in this basket. Yeah. Just bag them up, man. Keep them here. And I have another bag with wigs, but I'm not gonna touch that right now. But this is the same girl that did those 2 years. She was the one who did this. But this, when I'm ready to wear this one, I just have to, yeah, pull it out because the baby ear are stuck in, yeah, it's stuck underneath. I have to like straighten it and just get a little glue and like fix it myself. But yeah, I like the fact that she cornrow it right here. It's cute. And I wash it and use that same brush and blow dry, but it's very, very nice. I like it. Let's try this, and then I'm gonna save one of the big dogs for later. So I'm gonna try this one. You know, for all the people that said, oh, go do your hair. Well, I have news for you. I do have hair, and I can fit them up myself. I'm just not interested in doing ear, okay? This one needs some attention. I think I'm gonna take it to the ear just a bit because I don't really know much about wig, to be honest. I love this comb. You know, I bought this comb over a year now, and I'm gonna tell you, I did not remember anything about it. I found it on Amazon. I did not remember anything about it. Yesterday I was cleaning up and I found it. And I was like, this is what I do all the time. Just waste time. And yeah, this needs some attention. I have to take it to the hairdresser for her to put a band underneath it because it's very slack. It need the band. I lose the band. And she need to maybe fix but this is it. So this is like what? I lose count. This is like number 6. Yeah, this is number 6. All right, let's try this one. Oh, I'm gonna leave the too big heavy one for later. I'm gonna try this small one here. But they're basically the same thing. I love this one too because It's so easy fit and it lay right down. I might just wear this one. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this. I love this wig. I honestly do. Like, it's so easy to deal with. I don't have to do much to it, but just look at that. You know, it's so nice. I really like this wig. Yeah, I might take this with me on my, my vacay. I might just wear this, put away all the rest. I'm just gonna try these two big ones. I'm not gonna bother with all these small wigs because it's basically the same. You all see how they look at me already. How do I look? You don't want to see the hair we honor this, yeah? I'm gonna try on this, guys. I love this wig so much. Oh, this is the wig I wear to Auntie Donna event. Oh, it's so heavy. Jesus. When I went to Auntie Donna event, this is the wig the hairdresser fixed on me, and I went and I go do it. And let me tell you something. I took it off the same day because I did the hair in the morning, and I went to Auntie Donna event in the evening, and I took it off when I get home. I'm just not a wig person. So when people are telling me to go do my hair, to put on wigs, no. And honestly, with my hair now, I started to feel naked just wearing my hair. Like I need to cover it up with something. But I like this little one here. It's just really simple and nice. I don't have to do much with it. This is what I like about this one. And it's not tight. Some of these wigs let my head hurts. So let me put this one on. And let me see. Just take it off and just throw it in the bag. Yeah. I haven't done nothing to it. See? It's the same. Yep. I don't know when I'm gonna wear this again. I don't have time for these stuff. See? Heavy. Let's put on this. It's heavy. My head feels so damn heavy. See that? So this is what, 9? Yes, no. This is 8. I don't even know. I'm done counting. All I know is that my trip is coming up, and I have to get ready for it. I love this week too, you know, but only for my if I'm going on vacation or if I have somewhere going, I will just look a little different. I can't get up every day and just look the same like this, and then when I'm going out, it's just not me. I can't change into somebody that I'm not. Nobody's gonna change me into someone that I am not. This is me, you know? Putting on these wigs make my damn head so hot. Like, really? Come on. I don't have time for it. For God's sake. This is, I think it's a 30. 30? See, this is what you call inches, you know? Can you see it? Yeah. Down the bottom. I mean, I tell you, say it's heavy. It's heavy. So heavy. So, when I have occasion, you see, it's hard. Look, my hands are big. I have very big hands, like man. And look there, I can barely spawns this thing. So it's heavy. It's fluffy. It's a lot of hair. But anyways, gonna enjoy the time with me. Wig. I'm setting up my wigs. I'm gonna blow them out right now and just back them up because them did just throw down. and me I try organize them, you know. Yeah, I'm going back to Cancun next year, so I need to start preparing, put things together, what I want to carry. Me and hubby need for. I'm also have a little cruise, so we either might go on the cruise for the anniversary. We're not sure yet. Or go to Cancun. We're not sure. We're gonna decide it soon. Yeah, but we really want to go to Cancun because I went there June, and he was like, "You go without me," and it seems like you have a lot of fun, so I want to go. So we might go, you know. Let's see. This brush, guys, very good. Very good. It straighten out my ear them. Me not have to have comb, you know? Straighten out my ear so well. It's like a styling brush. You know, I saw it on ads on Facebook. Anytime I saw something on ads on Facebook and I like it, I go over on Amazon because I already have an Amazon account and just look it up if it's on Amazon. And yeah, it might not be the same as what I see in the ads, but it's similar. And I'm like, wow, they have this brush. I'm going to get one because I want something like that for my wigs, to clean them up, you know, blow dry them out, straighten them out, and then. But this brush is very nice. You can use it whether it plug in or not. It make me hear them feel so nice. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video, and I hope you enjoyed the time with me. Let me know in the comment section. God bless you and have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye. Love you guys. Bye.